Good evening, one and all. Those who are watching Navaratri Navarasa festival organized by Natyanjana School of Dance and Music, I welcome you all for today's evening program. The day 6 of Navaratri is going to be represented to Goddesses Katyayani. The sixth day of Navaratri is dedicated to Goddess Katyayani, who is a form of Shakti, also known as warrior goddess. Katyayani is considered as one of the most violent forms of goddesses Parvati. Certain religious texts state that goddesses Parvati was born at the home of sage Katya and hence the name Katyayani. She can be seen riding a lion and carrying a lotus stem and sword in her right hands. She is said to be gifted with a lion by goddesses Gauri. She has 4 arms and carrying a sword, she ensures harmony, a peace in married life. It is also believed that worshipping her can help eradicate all the negative effects of planets in horoscope. Om Devi Katyayain Namaha. Katyayani Mahamaye Mahayoginyadishwari Nanda Gopastutam Devi Patime Kurute Namaha. The day 6 of Navaratri, we are going to present Bhayanaka Rasa through Bharatanatyam performance. Bhayanaka is fear, also doubt, worry, insecurity, etc. When we live our lives in fear, we shut down completely. Overcome Bhayanaka with inner strength, love, and truth. Now, I would like to welcome today's evening performance artists Kala Yogi Vidwan Raghunandan and Srimati Manasi Raghunandan. Kala Yogi Vidwan Raghunandan, yes, a performer of high caliber, a creative choreographer, and a dedicated teacher. Sri Raghunandan is an artist devoted to the field of Bharatanatyam and proudly continues the legacy passed down from his grandfather Natyacharya Guru H.R. Keshavamurthy sir and son and disciple of Karnataka Kalashri Guru Sri B.K. Shyam Prakash and Vidushi Srimati Geeta Shyam Prakash. Raghunandan is awarded with the prestigious Kalayogi title from Indian Council of Cultural Relation, Bangalore in 2016. He is also an auditioned artist of Doordarshan and is UGC NET qualified in dance. He holds a degree of Master of Fine Arts in Bharatanatyam with distinction and Vidwat KSEEB in Bharatanatyam with gold medal. He holds a distinction in Mridangam KSEEB conducted examinations and is often invited as a guest in Natavanar. He also holds a degree of Bachelor's in Telecommunication and Engineering and is also an IT professional. He has been training students and teaching Bharatanatyam since November 2006. He has also, to his credit, performed in 37 major dance dramas with lead roles, of which he has won critical appreciation. His major directional venture with successful productions such as Parivartane, Purandara Pallavi, Ramabharata Samagama, Tripati, Kala Sangama, Aranya Kanda, and Nritya Bhakti Sara. His recent solo presentation of dance drama Aranya Kanda was critically stalwarts in the field of dance and the art equally. He has represented India at Singapore, Malaysia, and South Africa, Sri Lanka for dance performances, workshops, and lectures. He has performed at prestigious festivals such as Nalanda Nrityotsava, Mumbai, Natyanjali Festival, Karur, Rukmini Devi Arundel Festival, Kolkata, Indradhanush, Delhi, Kala Pashakam, Chennai, Hampi Utsav, and many more. He also hosts annually Keshava Kalarnava Guru Gandharva Pradhan Tribute Festival, Nritya Shravana, Nritya Medha, Nritya Vaividyam, and Nritya Sammilana at Encourage Talents in Dance. Along with Raghunandan sir, we do have his wife Srimati Manasi Pandya Raghunandan for today's performance. Srimati Manasi is a president of Abhivyakti Dance Center, Bangalore. She is an exponent of Odissi and Bharatanatyam. She is a researcher, dancer, teacher, art critic, and a passionate writer. She is a qualified assistant professor in dance. She is a double postgraduate and holds master's degree in Odissi from Rabindra Bharati University, Kolkata, and master degree in English literature from Maharaja Sayoji Rao University, Vadodara. She holds a postgraduate diploma in French, also holds a co-vida in Odissi from Nalanda Dance Research, Mumbai, and PG diploma and Alankar in Bharatanatyam with gold medal. She has many critically acclaimed choreographies to her credit, such as Sri Ramaraksha Stotram, Hanuman Chalisa, Kala Sangam, Sandhya Devi Stotram, Abhayankar Shiva, Raksha Stotram, Mangala Charana, Vishnu Stuti, and on Ashtadikpalakas, Pallavi in Kadana Kutuhala, Kannada Vachanas, and Saptapadi, and many more. She has been felicitated as awarded by several organizations. She has banked Nritya Vilasini, Purva Ratna, CCRT National Scholarship, Bharatashri, and many more. She aims to take Bharatanatyam and Odissi to utmost perfection and provide quality training. She has also been disciple of Padma Shri late Guru Sri Gangadhar Pradhan in Odissi dance style, Guru Sharad Pandya and Niru Pandya Purva from Gujarat, Bharatanatyam form. She is a member of Board of Directors elected for the World Culture MIFA Italy. Manasi ma'am has been featured for her dance at the Discovery Channel, Washington, D.C., and in other leading print and electronic media. All over India and globe, she has been performed and spread our art form on prestigious festivals. She conducts workshops and master classes at Spain, France, Malaysia, Singapore, Sri Lanka, Nepal, and Mauritius. She is working on her 2 books. She is also a senior member in the advisory board of directors of Keshava College of Music and Dance, Bangalore. A warm welcome you both for this wonderful occasion to perform and give us a wonderful experience on Rasa Bhayanaka. I welcome both of you, sir and ma'am, for today's evening program.
Namaste to one and all. In this auspicious occasion of Dasara, we are indeed fortunate to come in front of you to perform few sequences on the goddess. Today, we have been asked to portray the Bhayanaka Rasa. So we'll be taking a small episode from our Kriti on the goddess Pati Parameshwara, wherein we portray the Bhayanaka Rasa. I also profusely thank Asha Hemeraju for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thanks and namaste.
दत्तात् परात् लोकसन्तापकः माहिषं दैत्यको नौमितां शङ्करी ब्रह्मदत्तात् लोकसन्तापकः माहिषं दैत्यकं यामुनाशयात् तां त्रिशूलादिभिः भीतिदां परिपाहि तव भीतये
of Shama Shastri in Bhairavi Raga and Misha Chapatala, the popular Swarajati Kamakshi Amba, where the sublime devotion of the devotee, which is Shama Shastri himself, who used to speak to the goddess of Kanchi Kamakshi, is being portrayed here. I am indeed blessed and fortunate to present before you these sequences. Myself, Raghunandan, and my wife Manasi presented these sequences today. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.
Thank you.
I would like to thank couples for today's evening performance on behalf of Natyanjana School of Dance and Music, organized Navaratri Navarasa Festival. Thank you Raghunandan sir and thank you Manasi ma'am for a wonderful performance. Next, I would like to welcome Shruti and Murthy for today's evening performance, presenting Bhayanaka Rasa along with Devi Kritis. Shruti N. Murthy is a distinguished performer and artist director of Natya Bhairavi Dance School. She groomed under Guru Srimati Revati Narasimhan ma'am for a tender age of 5. She has performed Rangapravesha at the age of 11 and completed Vidvat standing first in the board. She is also a gold medalist in BA, credited with the Best Student Award from NMK RV College and a master degree holder in English literature. Being a multi-gold medalist, winner of several trophies and cash rewards, both at national and the state level dance competitions, she has been recognized with state awards such as Bhala Pratibhe, Kishore Pratibhe, Chinnara Kalashri, Pratibha Chetana, Yuva Pratibha, Puraskar, and Kempegowda Prashasti. Reputed art organizations have honored her with several awards such as Natya Mayuri, Natya Chature, Balakala Gandharva Ratna, Aryabhatta, Natya Ratna, etc. A-graded artist of Doordarshan, Shruti is the recipient of central and state scholarships and has represented Karnataka in the National Cultural Exchange programs. She has performed in prestigious stage festivals like Kittappa Pillai Centenary Festival, Kinkini Nada Nrityotsava, Nada Niranjana, Nada Habba Dasara, and several others held at Delhi, Hyderabad, Tirupati, Dharmasthala, Guruvayur, Shripuram, Tirchi, Salem, Mysore, etc. Shruti and Murthy has received state award for mono acting, is a good comparer, and is also pursuing senior Carnatic music. She has judged various dance competitions and is associated with KSEEB as examiner to the dance exams. I welcome you, Shruti, for today's evening performance.
I will now present Astuti Shrungapuradeshwari Sharade. Sharada Mata, one who resides in Shrungapura, which is none other than Shrungiri. Sharada, worshipped by Saint Shankaracharya, blesses devotees with knowledge and the goddess of music. Shrungapuradeshwari Sharade, Kalyani Raga, Aditala, composed by Sri Padmacharana.
Shrungapuradeshwari Sharade Shrungapuradeshwari Sharade Shubhamangale Sarvabhishtaprade Shrungapuradeshwari Sharade Shubhamangale Sarvabhishtaprade Shrungapuradeshwari Sharade Shubhamangale Shankara Sannute Shri Padmacharane Shankara Sannute Shri Padmacharane Shankara Sannute Shri Padmacharane Sakala Kala Visharade Varade Sakala Kala शुभमुरारीश्वरी शारदे शुभमङ्गले सर्वाभीष्टप्रदे शुभमुरारीश्वरी शारदे 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 शारदे
Namaste. I take immense pleasure to present one of the Devi Navarasas, Bhayanaka Rasa. Devi Jagan Matrike, Jagat Swarupini, Jagat Karini. Shakti Mata Devi, where is the point she gets afraid? But during the Samudra Manthana and the churning of mountain, Vasuki emits poison. Who else can save the world? Lord Shiva comes forward to drink the poison and protect the world. That's when the Devi really worries and comes forward to hold Lord Shiva's throat and stops poison entering into his body. Now, Devi Navarasa, Bhayanaka Rasa. I will next present a Devi Stuti, Devi Niye Tunai Amba. This is a beautiful Tamil composition by Papanasam Shivan. Here, the composer says, "Oh Amba, Mother Goddess, you are my only support. You reside in the beautiful South Madurai, one who stole the heart of Lord Sundaresha and is also worshipped by the goddesses Saraswati and Mahalakshmi. Devi Niye Tunai in Raga Keeravani and Agita.
Devi
Before I conclude today's performance, my wholehearted thanks to Vidushi Asha Hemaraju and Natyanjana Institute of Music and Dance for creating this beautiful platform during the auspicious Navaratri festival. I thank each one of you for watching this Navarasa Navaratri series. Thank you. Shubharatri.
On behalf of Natyanjana School of Dance and Music, I would like to thank today's both artists, Kalayogi Vidwan Raghunandan Sir and Manasi Raghunandan Ma'am. And as well as I would like to thank Shruti Yanmurthy for her performance, which was mesmerizing. Thank you, Shruti. Dear art lovers, I hope today you all enjoyed the performance given by the artists of today's evening program. The day 6 of Navaratri is going to end by this performance organized by Natyanjana School of Dance and Music Navaratri Navarasa Festival. Good night, Shubharatri, Happy Navaratri.